Welcome to Glances. Glances is your go-to hub for customer insights and personal tasks and is the simplest way to work. This video will walk you through how to accept an invitation to a team on Glances and how to use Glances. Glances allows you to view data from connected apps in one central location, the Glances widget. Depending on your team's plan, you may also have access to our unique Actions feature, which allows you to complete tasks for connected apps, such as creating a QuickBooks invoice or creating a FreshBooks estimate. Here's an example. Perhaps your team manages client work from Monday.com, but you also use QuickBooks for billing and Zendesk for customer interactions. With Glances, your team can now view client information from all three apps directly from Glances. Glances includes a customer search tab and a My Daily Glances dashboard. The customer search tab will contain results from your searches, while My Daily Glances will display data specific to you, such as assigned Zendesk tickets or upcoming QuickBooks invoices. To accept your invitation, navigate to the email and click the link. After filling out the required information and clicking to join, you'll navigate to your Glances account at glances.com. Glances.com is where you can make adjustments to your account. It's worth noting that available changes are based on your role. As an admin, you will have access to make changes to team-wide Glances, while as a member, you'll have access to just your personal details. If you are a member, you likely won't spend much time directly on Glances.com. Instead, you'll use Glances through our widget. To do this, click to install the Glances browser extension and add it to your browser. Nice work! You're now ready to use Glances. There are three main ways to use Glances to find data. Click the Glances widget to use the search bar along the top. Use our highlight and search feature to select text on the page and click to search for it. Or click Glancy's stamp for an email on the page. Glancy is our helpful data-finding mascot who places a stamp on email addresses she finds to expedite your search. The data available to you is determined by your team's admin. If you need an additional field displayed or another app connected, let your admin know. In addition to viewing data from connected apps, you can also complete tasks if allowed by your plan. You can see available tasks by clicking on your Actions menu. These may appear at the dashboard level, such as on My Daily Glances, at a contact level, such as after searching for a specific customer, or at a record level, such as a specific invoice or document. Without needing to switch tabs, you can use the Glances Actions menu to immediately complete tasks in other apps, like sending an invoice or resending a document, saving you the hassle of navigating away from your preferred workspace and preventing countless unnecessary clicks. If you have any trouble with Glances, please reach out to us at support@glances.com.